For these cold temperatures, it's only fitting that Chef D helps heat things up in the kitchen. Good morning, Chef D.
Hey, good morning, Bob. I just want everybody to know I'm still in shorts, okay?
Oh, thanks for the visual.
So, hey, Bob, we're going to do spicy fried chicken with some home fries today. I just thought, again, it's been cold, it's been wintry. Let's warm things up. So, we have some buttermilk here. I have some chicken, and just quickly, Bob, when you're looking for chicken, we get to use great products from NutriFarms, but you always want to look for air-chilled chicken. That way they can't add any more water to it. So when you do cook your chicken, it doesn't shrink up. It still remains the same size as when it's not cooked. So air chilled.
Good tip.
Air chilled. So we're just gonna mix our hot sauce, and I have a selection of hot sauces, and I have another one.
That's the good stuff.
Right. So we're gonna add our chicken to our buttermilk. Just a little bit of salt on the chicken. We put it in with the hot sauce. And then, we would leave this in the refrigerator covered for about an hour. And then, with the magic of TV, and I have my oil. It's a cold pressed canola oil, and I have it on, and I have my temperature here. It's just going to get back up to 350, and it'll be perfect for frying. But while we're waiting for the oil, I'm going to get my home fries going. So we have some onions here. I have some bacon. And I have some garlic, because, the house is going to smell so amazing with the onions, garlic, and bacon going on. And I have just a little bit of butter in the pan. It's winter. We need a little bit extra fat in our diet.
Yep. You need some extra layers.
Exactly. So, and then what I've done here is I've just taken some potatoes. I steamed some potatoes off. You could have your potatoes, maybe roasted potatoes the day before. And then you're just going to add these into our fry pan. And the great thing about having them a little pre-cooked is that it's only going to take, in real time, about 5 minutes to do this. A nice big pan so that they fry and they get nice and brown for you. And away we go. So we have our oil here. I have our chicken. And then what I have here is just a flour mixture. Again, just a touch of pepper in it because we like the spiciness. And then I'm just going to move this over so we can see this. I'm going to take my thermometer out. And this is just a candy thermometer, Bob, that I have here that goes up to 400 degrees. So then I can check that my oil is 350 degrees. And you don't want it too hot because then it's going to burn and it's not going to cook and it's not going to be golden brown.
Right.
And also, too, you just want to see that I've gone up about a third of the way in my Dutch oven here. You don't want to go much higher than that, because you don't want anything boiling over and having the fire department come to your house.
Safety first in Chef D's kitchen.
So we're just going to slowly just kind of put our flour over top of the chicken. Now, you could use chicken thighs. I'm using boneless breast here. And then we're just going to dip it back in the milk and hot sauce mixture one more time. So then we get a nice coating on our chicken.
Yeah.
And then we're going to pop this into our oil and just start seeing this bubbles when you do that. And one more, and it goes. Now, in real time, this would take about 9 to 11 minutes, but because I made some beforehand just so that it would be done. So you can see we have our plate here. We have our golden brown chicken. I put a little bit of hot sauce underneath it, so then you can just dip your chicken in your hot sauce. Our home fries, again, golden brown with our bacon, our charred onions, of course, some pickles. And then our good friends at Waterloo Brewery just launched some new radlers. So I thought, why don't we have some tart cherry, some watermelon? Because, again, sweet and hot. See where I'm going with this?
Oh, yeah. That's a perfect pairing.
And then finally, Landshark just came out with some new seltzers, natural fruit juice, and they have 3 different varieties. So, you can pick and choose, have a little bit of heat, have a little bit of sweet, enjoy this last maybe little bit of snowstorm today. And as always, Bob, it's great to be on with you guys, and I might have to have a little beverage.
Oh, just maybe. Yeah. Oh, that's just what we needed. Thank you, Chef D. We'll link up your website at chh.com for more great recipes, and we'll see you again soon.
Okay, take care. Thanks for having me on.